If you're making content and people aren't showing up, it could be because your messaging isn't matching and people notice that, even if you don't. It's actually a really easy mistake to make. So let me show you a way to avoid it. It's a simple 5-part framework to fix it fast. Feature, benefit, meaning, result, outcome. Let's take a look at why your content might feel flat and what you might be leaving out of it. First, for your business, what feature do you have? This is the tool, the step, the way that you help people. For example, if you're an online tutor, the feature might be offering online math tutoring sessions. A lot of people stop right there, thinking that that describes what it is. But that's all it does. It's just naming it. But clients don't buy features. They buy the story about how they will get what it is that they want. All right, so step one, quickly write down what is your feature. Go ahead and pause the video and grab something to write with if you need to. Okay, what's next? The benefit. Maybe it saves time, makes things easier, or fixes a specific problem. For our online tutor example, it could be these sessions help your child understand homework faster and feel less frustrated. All right, now it's your turn. Write down the benefit of your offer. Now, third, as you may have heard, is meaning. Why does that benefit matter to them? Without meaning, the benefit feels light and doesn't really stick. For our online tutor, the benefit was the child understanding homework faster and feeling less frustrated. And the meaning behind that, when kids feel confident in math, they do better in school and start believing they can succeed. Can you detect that emotional difference when we add on the meaning? All right, you're up. Write down the meaning of your offer. But once you have features, benefits, and meanings, that's when people's doubts pop up. So we talk about result. What happens if they actually did it? This is what makes things super clear. In the tutor scenario, the tutor could say, if you book a few lessons, your child's grades will improve quickly and homework time will become less stressful. Results can calm those doubts because it shows them what they can get, even if they were unsure before. Now it's time to write down those results for your offer. But surprise, results are still only short term. People also want to see the bigger change that it can make. So let's talk about that outcome and why that's the piece that draws clients in long term. The outcome is the bigger picture, not just what happens now, but what it means for the future. For our online tutor, they can say, over time, better grades builds better opportunities, lasting confidence, and peace of mind for the whole family. And that connects to the future that they really want. You're up. Write down the outcome for your offer. All right, how do we apply this? You've got feature, benefit, meaning, result, and outcome. Now, don't get stressed out. You don't need to talk about all of them in all of your content. You just want to make sure that you're consistent across the board. When you're going to talk about meaning, make sure you talk about the same meaning every time. And be sure to keep it congruent with all the other points. That congruency is what builds trust and will get you clients much faster. Now, this is going to help you get leads, but there's still some mistakes I see happening that undo all of this. And in this video right here, I'm going to show you how to avoid all of that. Let's go.